Yo! Today, we're gonna talk about psychological tricks to make her want you. I used to be horrific with women, but have done extensive research and practice on the subject, and I have tried these exact psychological tricks on numerous dates and girlfriends in the past with great success. We're going to go over 10 psychological tricks to make her want you. Make sure you watch this entire video as each point is vital to making a girl like you. My name's Ryan Long and this is the Unleashing Potential channel. Like and subscribe for psychology videos to unleash your potential. The first psychological trick to make her want you is to exercise. One of the most important things to psychologically attracting women is to first get their attention. You can be the greatest match for a woman, but it doesn't matter if she doesn't know you exist. This is why exercising to get a healthy body is so important. Similar to how men like a nice body on women, women feel the same way and want to look and feel a man's muscular toned body. Women like to see a naked man's body that looks sexually attractive as opposed to staring at a man with a beer belly. This is why attracting women with a nice body from exercising is important. The second psychological trick to make her want you is to dress well. Wear well-fitted material, nothing baggy, and do your hair if you have some. Consider seeing a barber for a new haircut. If you have not already checked out my video on subconscious signs that she likes you, click on the link above. This video will help your dating life skyrocket. The third psychological trick to make her want you is to have passion towards your goals. Women love a man who is active in his passions, and this will make a girl want you. Imagine that a woman has the choice of being with a man who is bored, doing a hobby many hours a week, versus a man who is passionately working towards his hobby and goals many hours a week. Who would seem funner and more attractive? The man with passion, of course. Your passion can literally be anything. Whether it is playing with baby seals in Antarctica or jumping out of an airplane skydiving. Please do not fake a passion though. Women can smell that from a mile away and this will kill her attraction for you. The fourth psychological trick to make her want you is to practice talking to everyone. This will help you feel more natural when you talk to women. Women can sense easily if a man is calm talking to her. This calmness shows the woman that the man is used to talking to women, and this will elevate his status in her eyes. The fifth psychological trick to make her want you is to have a backbone. Women do not want to date a doormat that people can walk all over. Women are much less likely to respect a man who is a doormat. See my video above on why you should not be a nice guy and why having a backbone is so important. The sixth psychological trick to make her want you is to make her laugh. Women will associate good feelings with you and want to be around you more often. Be careful though not to overdo this psychological attraction trick and turn into a clown. Clowns make girls laugh but are not sexy. Do you remember the class clown you had in school? He made girls laugh but he never got the girl. The seventh psychological trick to make her want you is to use the push-pull technique. This is where you say something nice but then say something that is a little bit negative as well. An example of this is to say, "You smell really nice, like my grandma." This technique will help make a girl want you. You need to be careful though not to say anything insulting to her. The eighth psychological trick to make her want you is to use the consistency bias. Consistency bias is where once a person starts treating you in a certain manner, they will want to continue treating you that way. People tend to do favors for people they like, so if she's doing you a favor, then she will subconsciously think that she likes you. Some ways you can use this psychological attraction trick is that you can ask for something as simple as what time is it or where the nearest Starbucks is. This will help make a girl like you. The 9th psychological trick to make her want you is to speak confidently. Women are normally attracted to a calm, confident voice, not a shaky voice. I would highly recommend consider taking an acting class or public speaking course to help you with this. Personally, I did a public speaking club called Toastmasters for 24 months and competed in competitions against other cities to gain this skill. Click above to see my video on that. The 10th psychological trick to make her want you is the mirror exposure effect. The mirror exposure effect has shown that women find a man more attractive if they are regularly exposed to him. Try to utilize this psychological attraction trick by exposing yourself regularly to the girl that you like. I was originally going to stop the video there, but I decided to add a bonus tip. The bonus tip is to become friends with the friends of the girl that you desire. If the girl's friends like you, they will be more likely to support their friend to date you. After all, once a girl is asked out, the first thing she will do is ask her friends what they think of the guy. If her friends like you, then your chances of dating her are much higher. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment below and let me know which psychological trick you're going to use to attract the woman of your dreams.